friends, welcome back. Today we are playing a game with time. Look at our clock. It has two hands. The short hand is the hour hand. It points to the hours. Right now, the short hand points to the 3. The long hand is the minute hand. It's pointing straight up to the 12. Here's the secret. When the long hand points to the 12, we say, o'clock. The short hand is on the 3, so it's 3 o'clock. Easy peasy. Now let's catch the hours all mixed up. Round 1. Look closely. The big hand is on the 12, so we know it's an o'clock. But where is the short hour hand pointing? Point to the number. Did you point to the 5? You got it. It's 5 o'clock. High five. Round 2. Let's mix it up again. Whoa! Look where the short hand landed this time. The big hand is on the 12. Where is the short hand? That's right. It's the 10. It's 10 o'clock. Snack time. Round 3. One more in this round. The big hand is on the 12. Where is that short hour hand pointing? Yes, it's pointing to the 2. That's 2 o'clock. You're a natural. Let's play time check. I'll show you a clock and a guess. You tell me, is the guess right or wrong? Look at the clock. The short hand is pointing to the 6. The badge says 6 o'clock. Is that right? Yes, that's exactly right. Great checking. Now look closely. Where is the short hand pointing this time? The badge says 3 o'clock. Is that right? Oh, no, not quite. The short hand is really on the 9. It's 9 o'clock. One more time check. Check the short hand again. The badge says 11 o'clock. Is that right? Yes, you got it. It's 11 o'clock. Awesome checking. Now it's time for the Beat the Clock Speed Challenge. The clock will change super fast. No clues this time. Can you shout the time before the buzzer? Let's go. Look and shout it out. 1 o'clock. Next one, go. 7 o'clock, you beat the clock. Last one, make it loud. 4 o'clock, wow, you are lightning fast. You did it. You mastered the mixed up hours and beat the speed challenge. You are an official time-telling superstar. Next time you see a clock on the wall, check. If that big hand is pointing at the 12, it means o'clock. See you next time. Bye, friends.